What up? And welcome to Operation Murder It Out. Today, Milkshake will be getting a dash cam. So I'm gonna start taking this thing apart. I gotta rip some stuff out in order to install it. Alright, so inside of the car, I already took one trim piece off. It's right here, goes on this side of the car right there. Here is the dash cam, and then here is the rear camera. I'm going to be plugging it up right here because this socket is not hot all the time. So when I turn off the car, the camera will also turn off. So what I'm going to end up doing is routing the wire from here to this little slot right here where the handbrake is. I have some clips that I can use to keep it away from the handbrake when operating the handbrake, and then I'm going to run it up behind the dash, up through this column, and then into the headliner. Thankfully, I do not have to take the headliner down. And then I'm going to be putting it right here. So I'm going to start off by taking off all of this center right here, but I'm going to try my best not to remove the entire center console. Alright, so everything is going quite smoothly. I got this routed under up to the dash. Took this trim off the collar. I'm going to leave this off right now because I'm going to be running the wires for the rear camera down the side through the trims under there and then up to the back window. So let's get started on that one. Alright, I was able to get the trim pieces off. Got the trim piece off that covers this connector. Got that trim piece off. Got this piece off right here. And then coming to the back, got that piece off. Remove this cushion area right here. That's the cushion, had to take that off as well. And then I'm gonna be removing that trim next so that I can route the wire up through the headliner again, and so I'll have the rear view camera right in the middle. So let's continue on. Okay, all of my wires have been routed and trim has been installed again. So for the rear view camera, I got it going from the windshield to the column all the way down behind the dash, back there under this trim piece, and then I also have it going under this trim piece and then up this body, and then camera's right there with the wire. I'm not going to install that camera just yet because I need a SD card to go into the camera so that I can turn the camera on and see which way is up and down as far as rear camera position. So I'm gonna put the rest of the trim back on, put the seat back on, and then I should be finished. Alright, everything is back together. Once again, that's routed. That camera's installed, and that camera has been installed. Got an SD card and I was able to power up the camera. So with this plug-in, I should be able to start the car and the camera should start. Camera starts. So it has to go through the whole process, but it works, so I'm pretty sure the rear one works. So that's it for this video, and well, got started. So yep, rear camera is working too. So that's it for this video, so thanks for watching.